What's going on here?
Again, what happened?
Did you order for anything?
I was waiting for you now.
I know now. Eh? How you go come here, don't only you know go put something for table? Doesn't make sense now. Now what for you?
Babe. I checked their menu. Their food here is like 50,000 naira.
What's wrong with that? 50,000 naira. That's normal price now.
Babe. I did not eat before coming out of the household, and I want to eat to my satisfaction. Okay. If we order food 50,000 naira now, and I order 5 plates of food, that's over 300 something thousand. I beg you. Ha.
There's nothing wrong with that. Eh? Even if you want to eat out in restaurants, no problem. I'm the one that brought you here. Eh?
How much with my salary? Wait, what do you do for a living?
Let's have it.
I deal on so many things, but mostly I bet with 1xBet. Download 1xBet app and use my promo code ONENOTCH and get 300 to 600% on your first deposit. And now 1xBet is giving out amazing offers like laptop, iPhone, iPad, and every other gadget. So, all the restaurants. 350k is nothing. Where are you up now?
Calm down. There's this place I'll take you to. My ex-boyfriend used to take me there. At least that's the only thing I benefited from that boy. We would eat to our satisfaction. You see Jackie, you see roundabout, you see better style goat meat, you see Tozo. They'll put everything in that food there. I won't even spend up to 20,000 naira.
Are you serious?
Yes, now we'll even take away. I beg, let's go.
Everywhere, man.
My junior sister is waiting for me. She wants me to bring food home.
Let me taste this cake.
Anything you say.
Let's go.
Again, Ufu Benz.
You like it?
Yeah, I do. So this is where you eat every time?
Yes, now. Every day. Food is still the Tozo. Food is Tozo I told you about.
No, I'm okay. I'm full.
Madam, can I pack the food for my sister?
No, don't worry. You can order food for your sister, okay? Yes.
Thank you.
Nah, cool.
Hello, how you doing? My angel, my one and only. The only one that I'm missing. Will they bring me joy and blessing? You know that I love you.
Hello, Asa?
And I can't wait to see
You sent me 500k.
Yes, I sent it to you. As we no use the money for the lounge now, so it's better I send it to you.
Oh, thank you so much. God will bless you. Anything that you put your hands will work. Hey.
Don't worry. See, a woman that appreciates little things deserves everything. Notch 2026.
How much is my salary now?
Bye-bye. I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Don't finally get a boyfriend.
Chai. I don't finally get a girlfriend.